Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Ellie and this is Resin Noob. Today we're gonna be going and creating some coasters. So I'm super excited. We've had a delivery from Resin 8, not sponsored. And yeah, I'm just super excited to test out what has arrived. So we've got 3 mica powders, not mica powders, flakes, sorry. So they're kind of like glitter, but then no, you'll see. And we have a new pigment, which is a beautiful, gorgeous silvery blue. It's metallic-y, so it's not a mica. It's just like a paste, but it is beautiful, and yeah, I can't wait to get started with that. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be a bit of a trial and error. This is not a tutorial, so please don't come here thinking you're gonna learn something, because I am very new to this, and yeah, just experimenting really and seeing what we can create, what I can get out of it, and improve on what I already know. So yeah, so I really hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please press the subscribe button. If you want notifications about when a new video is uploaded, please press the bell. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Let's get cracking. Okay, so we are going to be doing a simple, hopefully a simple white and silver kind of coaster. So I'm going to be using 3 things. I've got this, if I can find my camera. We got this flash white, you can't really see it because the lighting's here yellow, but a flash white mica. I'll be using a metallic pigment by Resin 8 called Silver Blue. And also I've got these mica flakes that will be also used in them. I don't know really what I'm doing with them. I'm just kind of playing around because how nice does that look? Yeah, they just arrived today, so I don't know if you'll see the white, kind of a little bit, I guess. So I don't know if it's too much metallic. I might just add in a bit of white, like a base white. So another Resin 8 pigment. I've got pink all over the bowl from last night, but it's all good. It's all good. So I'm just gonna start out by pouring a little bit of clear into 4 of my coasters. Just want to save some just in case I need some extras. I need some toilet roll because now I've got resin on my finger. It's a good job I'm wearing gloves. Always wear gloves if you are working with resin, just to be safe, because you don't want it getting into your skin. Right, so how am I going to do this? Actually, I might just mix. I know what I'm going to do. We'll do a white as well. So we'll do a little bit of white. This also gives the resin in the molds to kind of like level and settle. So we're using these 4. If I've got extra left over, we might just use the other 2, but I don't think we will, because I don't want to do 6. I think 4 is a good number for a set of coasters. Okay, so there's my white mixed up. Right, so I might just do I actually have no plan of what I'm gonna do.
A few moments later.
I'm sorry if I stick my head between the camera and what I'm trying to, like you guys are trying to see. I wonder if I've got a heat gun. Okay, I'm sorry if I keep moving away from the thing. I actually really love these. Like, they look really random. Kind of a little beachy. But I think they're looking so good. Right, so what have I got left? We've got a bit of clear left, so push it back just a little bit. So I don't want to overfill these too much. Right. Now I'm just literally going to sprinkle these in. I don't even know how to use these, but I'm hoping that if I just sprinkle them in, they might just sink. Oh, that was a bit much there. Okay, right. Trusty, oh, where's it? There we go, we've got my trusty little thing. I have a tiny bit of resin left, a tiny bit, so maybe I will, what should I do? What have we got left? Got the tiniest bit of white and a bit of let's just go for it, see what we can get. Maybe we'll end up with 5 of them. I feel like the mica of the has like just sunk. I should be wearing gloves for this. Yeah, I feel like the mic is just like gone to the bottom and everything else is like enveloped it. But maybe if I do it so that this, oh, it's like the tiniest amount. Is it even worth it, Ellie? Of course it is. Should we use the heat gun, see what happens? See what we can get out of it. So I'm just literally experimenting. I'm not a pro. I am just playing around and seeing what effects I can get with different pigments and micas and stuff like that. So now I just have a puddle. But it's a funky puddle, I quite like it. I think this might be an upside down one, because now you can't see the mica flakes. But that's cool. Like, it might be an upside down one, it might be a... Definitely gonna be a thin one. It might be too thin, to be fair. But definitely worth playing around with. Oh, not too close to the edge. So yeah, like, I'm always doing random things. Hopefully I'll be making stuff that maybe I can sell. I'm having a bit too much fun playing, which I guess isn't always a bad thing. I think that's gonna be it. They're kind of beachy. I really love it. Ah, they're so good. Let me get some toy roll because I'm not quite happy with the one in the middle. I might just get a kebab stick. I feel like it's just too much of a cluster of everything. I'm gonna leave it because I feel like it's just gonna pull it out. I'm so happy with these. Hi, so it is a day after making the coasters, and I was gonna demold them on camera, but I got a bit too excited and I totally forgot. So there won't be a demolding, but I will show you the finished product. So yeah, so we'll start off with the one where it was just like the last bits of the resin. So it's kind of, is it gonna focus on it? I think so. So it's kind of cool. You can't really see like the colours on the camera. I don't know why. But there's a lot more of like the blue. Maybe if I like duck out the way. I don't know. But yeah, oh, there we go. There we go, he's doing it. So yeah, so you can kind of see it's not amazing, but yeah, it's kind of cute. I like it. It's really wispy. It's not picking it up on camera, but it's really wispy. And it's very pretty. I'll be putting these on Instagram as well, so you'll be able to see them in more detail, because I don't think the camera is going to pick it up. Right, so these are the ones that there you go, that came out. I'm not sure whether to do like a silver edging on them. But yeah. How cool are these? Like, it's a shame that it's like taken over too much. Like, I like that there's the clear and it's not gone all the way, but now I feel like it's gone over the mica, which is it's a bit sad. It's a shame it's not picking it up in like all the details, because there's so much not showing up. But yeah, and that's the backs. Like the backs are just like white. And that one. Yeah, there you can see like the more detail, the more like wispiness. No, it's not going to focus on it. But yeah, so they're the finished products. Maybe I'll put a silver rim. I'm not sure. I'm gonna let them cure for a little bit longer before I do anything with them. So yeah, but I'm really happy. I think I should have maybe used less pigment. So I think with how far it's kind of reached out, I think if I used less, they would have been more clear, and it wouldn't have gone over the flakes as much. I kind of not sold on having the flakes in this. I feel like maybe having it without the flakes would be really pretty as well. But yeah, I do love them. I think they're great. But yeah, there'll be pictures on my Instagram going up shortly, so you'll be able to see these in better detail, because I don't think the camera is doing a good job picking these up. Actually, I might also put a picture at the end of the video so you can see what they look like, better detail and all that. So yeah, sort of, oh, they're just beautiful. I love them. I really, really like them. Like ocean inspired beach. And yeah, like I think this one's my favorite. Ooh. But yeah, you can't really see the details. There's like loads of details in it. And like, oh, it's beautiful. But yeah, guys, I will put a picture up so you can see them. Let me know what you think. Like, which is your favorite out of all of the 5? Like, oh, I'm hitting the camera. Like, they're just so good. I think these are the best I've done so far. And I wasn't even going for an ocean vibe, but I'm liking them. I'm feeling them. Do you think I should put the silver edging on, or do I leave them? I don't know. Comment below what your favourite coasters are, if I should put an edging on them, and if you'd like to see anything else. Like, is there a style you'd like to see? Because I'm all up for trying new things. And yeah, I guess thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down if you didn't like it. Was it too long of a video? I don't know. And yeah, we'll see you next week with another video.